I recommend that you have 3 different bank accounts and automatically have the money going out to them. So this is your paycheck comes in or your monthly amount comes in, and you organize your finance this way. One bank account is your emergency savings. Now make sure that emergency savings is in a money market account earning the highest interest possible. In today's society, that's a lot. Another is your checking account that goes with all of your bills, and then your third account is the money that you're investing. You need to have a plan where when your income comes in, before you receive it, you know what it is. This is how wealthy people do their stuff. When their money comes in, they know how to divide it. They already have an idea of how much is going here, how much is going there, how much is going where. Of course, your investing pot could be also divided in a couple of different pots depending on where you're at. Your emergency pot is one that once it's finished, you could move on. You know, once you have enough in your emergency pot, you can move more of the allocation to your investing pot. So I definitely recommend doing between 20 and 25% into your emergency pot, even more, until you've reached your goal in that emergency pot, and then you move that money over to your investing pot. At least those 3 pots. Now, in addition to that, I also have my vacation pot, my kids' college fund pot, and all the different other small subcategory pots that I contribute money to. So this is how wealthy people distribute their money, and they go through how they're working it out. And eventually, before you know it, you're looking at your kids' college fund with tens of thousands of dollars in it. You're looking at your emergency fund that's there. You're looking at your investment fund that is growing with the market. Never underestimate the power of compounded interest. So when you add all of it together, you don't even realize that your net value is so much compared to what it was before. You're in it for the long haul. Go with it and always do the automation.